Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. In my lessons on Patreon, I now turn my attention to the ABRSM Grade 3 2022 practice exam papers. Practice exam papers are an excellent revision tool. Once you have worked through your ABRSM Discovering Music Theory workbooks for grades 1, 2 and 3, it's a good idea to now work through some past exam papers as a great revision technique. I work through ABRSM 2022 Grade 3 Practice Exam Paper B, and in this lesson on Patreon, I work through every single section of the paper, looking at the topic of rhythm, pitch, keys and scales, intervals, tonic triads, musical terms and signs, and also music in context. I also give tips and techniques for how to quickly work through each question and give little revision tips as we work along through each question. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you can find the full lesson there, and you can find links to this lesson in the cards and in the description box below. After this short little video, you can see sample examples taken from the full Patreon lesson, showing you how I work with you step by step, bar by bar, through every single question of the exam paper, just as if I were sitting right next to you. Once you are ready to take the ABRSM Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and techniques for how to be best prepared for your exam, and also how to make the very best use of your time as you actually take the exam. This book is available from Amazon, and you can find links to this in the cards and in the description box below. Enjoy your studies. Now we're on 9 quaver beats, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 quaver beats, 3 dotted crotchet beats, 3 groups of 3 quavers. So there's dotted crotchet beat 1, which we know a crotchet is 2 quavers, and then half as much again is our third quaver. So there's 1 dotted crotchet beat, 1, 2, 3. There's a quaver, 2 semiquavers makes a quaver, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 groups of 3 quaver beats. There's our rest. There's our, after the rest, there's our bar line. Now there is a quaver, and a crotchet divides into 2 quavers. That's that. Quaver and a crotchet. That's 3 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9. So we know we're correct there. Sorry, D major has F sharps, D minor has F natural, and again we can see F sharp, major, greater, F minor, smaller. D minor has an F natural, so that's already a minor third. So that's that sorted. So is it true that this is the tonic triad of C minor? And it looks like it might be, because C minor is related to E flat major, which has B flats, E flats, A flats. We have 1, 3, 5, C, D, E, F, G, and the E is flattened. However, this is not note C. This is a note E in the bass clef. It would be correct were it in treble clef. It's not though, and so it's false. Now here we have 2 words to think about. So più means more, and mosso is movement. So we can easily sort that. So we can see, there we go, that one. Now less movement. So mosso is still movement, but less is meno. I always think it's like minus meno. We've still got the movement, but we need the word with. This sort of linking word is con, and then here it's without, so this linking word is senza. So we should have a good revision opportunity there. Is it true or false that this melody should be played lightly? Well, our answer is found here. It's fast. Allegro and leggero means lightly, and so it is true.